Hey, thanks for coming to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Hey YouTube, so this is Jaquetta Raglan here, and I'm just going to make a quick smoothie. I like to drink this after I work out. I love to use it in my Magic Bullet single blender. It's just because I just want to make a simple serving for myself real quick. All right, so I get the ice. I already got it. I use the baby spinach, which you can easily pick up from Walmart. Now I use pomegranate juice because it's supposed to have antioxidants in it, and they say it's good to drink a little bit every day for your skin. So I use that. This is the protein powder that I use. I like it because it's plant-based. I'm not vegetarian, but I like to incorporate it in my as much veggies and things like that in my diet. It's 11 grams of carbs, minus fiber, so about 9 net carbs, and I only use half of that. And then again, my Magic Bullet. And then I like the cherry berry blend. Again, antioxidants, low calories. And then I also use half a banana. So this is just how, I'm just going to put it in there real quick. I like to do it in this order. The ice first, banana. Berries usually come after the protein powder, but we'll just work with what my daughter Samaje got going. Half a scoop, let's see. I usually like to use just one scoop. So that's actually 85 calories instead of the 170. Okay, you don't have to. All right, and then I use spinach. I use just a handful. So, I mean, you can't go wrong with spinach. I try to stuff as much as I can in here. The more, the better. All right, so then I just kind of like wing it with the, well, let's see. I'll do quarter of a cup because that's a half cup, so I'll just put the quarter in there. The goal is to do it fast because if it's not fast, then I'll probably talk myself out of doing it. And then I just add some water. I kind of fill it up halfway with the water. And then I blend it. If it's not enough water, then I'll just add some. So while that's going,
Now, this is the time I like to spend cleaning my mess and putting away all of the items I used. It doesn't take long at all for the blender to work, but it does give me enough time to get everything put away. I do like to have this smoothie in the morning at the beginning of my day because it allows me to get my fruit, antioxidants, and veggies in and protein without taking in a lot of calories. So let me know if you like it and how it tastes.
if it's not, let's see, it's the consistency that I want. And this is what it looks like. Let's taste it. It's good. Simple, just like that.
Again, here are the ingredients: a single serving blender, half serving protein powder, spinach, half banana, quarter cup of pomegranate, frozen berries with only 265 calories. Enjoy!